Let's dive right in. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grab a 9 by 13-inch baking dish or a similar-sized casserole dish and grease it up real good. Now, in a large mixing bowl, we're going to combine a can of whole kernel corn, make sure it's drained, and a can of cream-style corn. The combination of these two types of corn gives the soufflé a perfect texture. Next, add in 1 cup of sour cream and a stick of melted, unsalted butter. The sour cream adds a tangy richness, while the butter brings in that classic, comforting flavor. Don't forget to throw in 2 large, lightly beaten eggs. These will help bind everything together and give the soufflé its light, airy texture. If you like your soufflé a little on the sweet side, add a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. That part's optional though. Some folks prefer it savory, and that's perfectly fine too. Give it all a good stir, but be careful not to overmix. Overmixing can make the soufflé dense, and we want it nice and fluffy. Now grab a box of corn muffin mix. Jiffy works great, and stir it into your mixture until just combined. This adds a wonderful cornbread flavor and helps the soufflé set up beautifully. Pour that delicious mixture into your prepared baking dish and spread it out evenly. Make sure it's level so it bakes uniformly. Here's where you can get a little creative. If you love cheese, sprinkle a cup of shredded cheddar cheese over the top. The cheese will melt and create a golden, bubbly crust. Pop that dish into your preheated oven and bake for about 45 to 55 minutes, or until the top is beautiful and golden brown and the center is set. The aroma will fill your kitchen and make everyone eager to dig in. To make sure it's done, stick a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean or with just a few moist crumbs. This ensures the soufflé is perfectly cooked through. When it's done, let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes before serving. This helps it set up perfectly and makes it easier to serve. The soufflé will firm up a bit as it cools, making it easier to slice and serve. For serving, keep it warm and pair it with your turkey, stuffing, and all your other Thanksgiving favorites. It's a versatile dish that complements any holiday spread. If you want to add a festive touch, sprinkle some fresh herbs like parsley or thyme on top. It adds a pop of color and a fresh flavor that's perfect for the holidays. Enjoy, and happy Thanksgiving, y'all! Thanks for watching. I hope this recipe brings as much joy to your family as it does to mine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite Thanksgiving recipes. See y'all next time. Your support means the world to me, and I can't wait to share more delicious recipes with you.